Hi folks, I have recently got many questions from you about practicing, and today I'm going to answer and give you 5 good tips how you can be more efficient in practicing. So, number 1, focus more on quality over quantity. When it comes to practicing, quality is always more important than quantity. Many people, they can practice like 8 hours a day or 6 hours or crazy amount of time, but it doesn't really matter. Only thing when you're practicing that matters is the quality of the practice. So you can be practicing long hours but still not progressing, but you could be practicing less time and more efficient and practicing a lot. So I would say that focus more on quality. Number 2, have a plan. You need to have a plan when you are practicing, because if you don't have any plan, it's like you are going somewhere but you don't know where you're going. So you need to have a clear vision and clarity what you want to accomplish and what you want to do. It's really important. Is it like this piece that you want to learn, or is it like this technique, or you want to work some, I don't know, chords, octaves, or different kind of techniques? Just figure out what you want to learn and what things you would like to accomplish. And also, it is really important to set some time limits, like I will learn this piece till next week or till next month. Number 3, be consistent. I would say that many people give up too soon when it comes to practicing. Practicing is difficult and requires lots of patience, and you need to have that when you're practicing. Number 4, try to find as best teacher as you can. The best teacher can add a massive amount of value to your practicing. You need to find best teacher for yourself and for your style, because many teachers, they have different styles they teach, and if you have a good teacher and the chemistry is good, it's really good for your progress. Also, when you have a good teacher, many things will become more easier on the way, because when you are doing things on yourself, many times you are thinking like too hard things, like you are making things too complicated. But a good teacher can help you. Last but not least, number 5, learn from others. It's really important to learn from other musicians when you are practicing. It's also practicing when you learn from other people. You go to different concerts, you meet some other fellow musicians and learn by them and take some inspirations. I listen every week the Discover Weekly list from Spotify, and many times I can find some new ideas from there, just to listen new music that I can find somewhere, or some music from my fellow musicians that I know. I listen constantly new music. I try to find new music and same time improve my playing as well. So here was the quick tips. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and also comment if you have any questions about this topic, so I would be glad to answer. See you in next video.